we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Penguin's portable camping stove with carrying case, 10,000 BTU, great for emergency, preparedness kit, high power camping stove. Highlight features or overview summary, that's include instant ignition and butane fuel efficiency. Unleash the power of instant ignition. Our camp stove ensures you spend less time fussing with matches and more time enjoying the warmth of your outdoor meals. Efficiently powered by butane fuel, it's a perfect companion for your camping escapades. Versatile and portable. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with unparalleled versatility. This camping stove is designed to be your reliable companion on any adventure. Lightweight and portable, it effortlessly fits into your backpack, making it the ideal choice for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Durable and easy to clean. Built to withstand the ruggedness of the outdoors, the Dr.HOWS camping stove is crafted with durability in mind. The robust construction ensures longevity, while the easy-to-clean feature simplifies post-meal maintenance. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the beauty of nature. Scientific design and stability, experience the fusion of science and design in our camping stove. Meticulously crafted for optimal performance, it guarantees stability even in challenging terrains. Campsite cooking has never been this precise and reliable. Double security for peace of mind, safety is non-negotiable. Our camping stove features double security measures, providing an extra layer of protection during operation. Enjoy your outdoor cooking with confidence, knowing that safety is our top priority. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.